Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for ear sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, take only what resonates. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, research mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And sa mga gusto namang mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, check mo na lang ako sa TikTok. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for ear sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, so what do we have here for the sign of ear sign? Four of Pentacles is here, followed by the Three of Swords, the Tower. Clarify the Tower and the Three of Swords. Meron tayo dito, Ten of Swords. I can see possible ending ang nangyari sa'yo, ear sign. Whatever you're waiting, iba sa inyo, pwedeng kung ano man yung hinihintay mo, ito na yung mag-e-end. Or, for some of you, with the Three of Swords, maybe regarding sa something na nagpapahirap or nagpapasakit sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede may kinalaman din sa finances or what. But anyway, I can see a lot of ending here. Ito yung something na sobrang nagbigay ng kalungkutan sa'yo, ng sakit sa'yo, and now it's already ending. And it's a total ending. I can see here na tinatry mong i-handle ang sarili mo at naayos mo naman or naging maganda naman ito sa'yo. Okay? You are being the emperor here. I feel like you're letting go of emotional baggage. Okay? And with the Four of Cups, pag hindi ka sigurado sa isang bagay, walang problema sa yung bumitaw at magsimula ulit. Mag-focus sa mga new beginnings. I can see new actions na ginagawa mo ngayon. And with the Strength card, this is like you na nagiging mas matibay or mas magaling ka na, especially sa pag-iisip mo at emotions mo. Kaya alam mo na kung paano mo a-actionan ang mga bagay-bagay. And this is like a huge learning for you sa buhay mo. Kung ano man ito, definitely, it taught you a lot of lessons. So, natutunan mo yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo alam na. Marami ka natutunan eh. And might be hindi ganito yung kind of thinking mo before, pero malaking pagbabago, especially sa nangyayaring ending na ito. Okay? Pagdating sa love, sino itong person nakakonect ni air sign. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng ini-end mo na rin or nag-end na rin yung paghihintay mo regarding something. So, maaaring meron ka mga bagay na hinihintay. Person nakakonect ni air sign, please. You do have here the Magician, Six of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Star is here. Puwedeng somehow naiinis ka dito sa taong 'to, yung iba puwede may pag-aaway na literal sa inyo kung ba't ka naiinis or naiinis ka lang talaga sa kanya, puwedeng gano'n. Puwedeng wala namang pag-aaway. Kasi with the Magician, puwedeng focus siya sa ibang bagay or nagfo-focus siya sa sarili niya or what. And, this could be a very creative person kung hindi man talagang, um, the Six of Cups, this could be a past person. And, puwedeng hindi mo rin alam na may pinagdadaanan siya ngayon, pagkakagulo or what. And you might not be aware of that. And, yung iba sa inyo puwedeng, nagkakaroon ng malaking kaguluhan sa inyo or kanya-kanya kayo na meron kayong kaguluhan na pinagdadaanan ngayon. And, this person wants to reach, his or her dreams. So, nakakita tayo ng challenges regarding relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, kung magkarelasyon kayo nitong taong ito, definitely may challenge sa relasyon ninyo. Kung wala naman, yung iba pwede nag-end na nga eh. Kung wala naman, this could be another person, nakakonect na tong person na ito, na nagkakaroon ng challenges or pagkakagulo sa relationship nila. And pwedeng hindi naman siya nagiging open pagdating doon. So, anong emotions mo patungkol sa taong ito? Nakakaamoy ako ng Bravo. Yung Bravo biscuit. Yan. Or yung sesame seed. Yan, particularly kasi yung sa Bravo, I know maraming sesame seed yun. But yeah, you could be eating something na may sesame seed or yung maybe a biscuit that, smell like Bravo biscuit na maraming sesame seed. You are currently hurt right now. Pwedeng tinatry mong mas mahalin muna ngayon ang sarili mo, mag-focus sa sarili mo. And, the Empress is all about self-love. This is you loving yourself. Oh, masakit. And, the Emperor is here. So, tinatry mo, the Hermit, tinatry mo maging mas matigas, maging mas mature. The Magician, kung ano man yung ginagawa niyang, anong tawag dito? Kung ano man yung ginagawa niyang, or pinapakita niya sa'yo na attitude, or kung anong ginagawa niya sa'yo, yun na lang din ang ginagawa mo sa kanya. Kung hindi ka niya pinapansin, wala siya pakialam, yun na lang din ang ginagawa mo. By the way, nakaramdam ako parang umiinom ng soft drinks, particularly yung Coke or, black soft drinks. This could be a reading. Medyo hindi ko, I know, you should watch your health, definitely. Kasi nakakaramdam ako ng feeling na hindi maganda yung, of course, hindi naman talaga maganda ang soft drink sa katawan. Pero, it just feels weird. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-cause ito ng UTI or diabetes. So, mag-ingat ka, whatever you are eating. Well, dapat naman talaga, no? Pero ngayon, medyo mas doblehin mo yung ingat. Okay? So, I see you are being mature here. So, kung may ending man or may mag-end man emotionally, hindi ka na ganun ka-invested, okay, pag nag-end, sige, pag umalis, go. You are not, the kind of person na parang mag-i-stay sa isang connection with whoever, relationship matter, business matter, professional matter, whatever. Ikaw yung nakikita natin na hindi, I can handle myself, I can do whatever I want. No, I can have whatever I want kahit wala itong taong ito. So, that's your energy. Anong emotions niya towards you? Ace of Swords is here. Emosyon ng taong ito for your sign, please. Marami yung card na lumabas, but I feel like it's a special message or it's a message for you. So, I will read it all. Itong person na definitely iniisip ka niya, may plano pa siya eh. May plano pa siya. So, with the Eight of Wands, I can see action mula dito sa person na ito na pinag-iisipan, pinagplaplanuhin niyang mabuti. Na gusto kong gawin to, gusto kong gawin yan, etc. And we do have the Judgment. I feel like this person is like awakened. The energy is like nagising siya. Nagulat din siya sa awakening. Or sampal sa kanya yung mga nangyayari or nangyari ngayon. Dahil nakakita tayo ng awakening. This person with the Five of Pentacles feels like kasalanan niya. Parang ganun. Parang feeling niya kasalanan niya kung ba't nangyari ito. No? The Death card and the King of Wands. I feel like itong person, ang emotions niya ngayon is pwedeng pagsisisi sa sarili niya. Pwedeng inis sa sarili niya kung bakit ko to ginawa, etc. Bakit nangyari to. With the King of Wands, I feel like punong-puno ng determination itong taong ito. And I feel like may plano siya sa'yo. And if you are in a relationship, I can see problems with regard sa relationship, challenges. So, yeah, kung yung iba sa inyo na hindi naman magkarelasyon, maybe the challenge is kung paano makikipagrelasyon sa'yo. Parang ganun. So, pwedeng pinagplaplanuhan niya na itong mabuti. What will happen in the future for you? Air sign. Yeah, what will happen in the near future for your air sign? The World is here. The Fool. Dalawang major. Almost lumalabas sa'yo is like major arcanas. Actually, nagpakita rin sa atin yung The Fool. With the World, I feel like in the future, you will be more open sa mga new beginnings, sa mga new people sa buhay mo. Professional matter, relationship matter, whatever. You will be more open. The Nine of Wands, I can see na magiging problema pa rin sa'yo or challenge kung paano completely makamove on dito sa taong ito in the past. Dahil might be, nga, you are open, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na nalimutan mo na completely si past. So, that would be your major, hindi naman siya problem, but rather, suliranin sa'yo kung bakit hindi ka makamove on talaga completely. Okay, so, tell me more in the near future for air sign. The World is here also. You do over the Page of Wands. I can see communication in the near future with this King of Swords. Someone who is very mature. The Seven of Pentacles. I feel like he is or she is, regardless sa ang gender ha. I feel like this person is going to give you something. Maybe something na pinaghirapan niya. So, that could be anything. Money or a gift na something na pinaghirapan niya. You do have here the Devil and the Five of Swords. Five of Wands. Ayan, nakakita tayo ng dalawang 5, which is actually that's big change and transformation mula dito sa taon to. So, I feel like this person will be more communicative sa'yo in the near future. And may something siyang ibibigay na pinaghirapan or pinahahalagahan niya. So, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.